Welcome students. My name is Sanjay Salunkhe. As we have seen in last session, growth food is necessary for growth and respiration. Let's have some questions before starting this topic. Is all the food we eat used by the body? All the food that we eat is not used by the body. Some part which is not essential and some which is not digested is thrown out of the body. Next question is, what is the unused part of food converted into? The unused food is converted into excreta or feces. Today we are going to discuss about excretion, responsiveness to stimuli, and movement and reproduction. Coming towards first point is excretion. Excreta, the waste substances formed during the different processes that take place in the bodies of the animals is called excreta. Excretion, the process of elimination of waste products from the body is called excretion. Excretory organs, specialized organs present in the animals for the excretion are called excretion organs. In plants, the waste substances are stored in the leaves and then shed along with leaves or sometimes through the barks of the trees. Plants also secrete excess of water in the form of water vapors. Excretion is characteristic of living things. Next point is responsiveness to stimuli and movement. Living things act in various ways when responding to stimulus. If you suddenly enter a cowshed, the cows and buffaloes stand up, begin to move. One or two may even start moving. These are all movements. A creeper planted in the courtyard leans towards a support. A potted plant placed in a window grows towards sunlight. It means that plants too show movement. Living things move of their own accord. The movement or change taking place in a living things at such a time is their response to stimulus. An event that occurs in our surrounding is a stimulus. The ability of living things to respond to stimulus is called their responsiveness to stimuli. For example, responsiveness and movement. The plant mimosa and a potted plant. Responsiveness to stimuli is a characteristic of living things. The last point is reproduction. We learn from this picture the process of reproduction is shown in the above pictures. Plants are shown to perform process of reproduction in different ways. Bryophyllum is growing new plantlets through its leaf. Rose plant will develop a new sapling through its cuttings. Bird has laid 2 eggs. The foal is seen along with its mother, mare. So reproduction. Living things produce other living things like themselves. Some animals give birth to their young ones. Some lay eggs. Their young ones hatch out of the eggs. New plants are produced from the seeds, stems, or leaves of plants. The process by which a living thing generates a new living thing like itself is called reproduction. Reproduction is a characteristic of living things. So that all for today's session. We will continue in next session. Today's homework, write down short note reproduction and send photo on WhatsApp group. Thank you.